Have you ever run your phone, or maybe your phone seems laggy, slow, or it's constantly hanging? You can do these three simple steps or two simple steps to prevent your phone from hanging. First of all, restart your mobile phone. Once the restart is over, then you're going to follow these simple steps to prevent your phone from hanging. This method might work all the time whenever your phone is hanging, or you can prevent from hanging by the following steps. And once the phone has fully rebooted, after the reboot, you need to search for the following application. It's a default application, easy to be accessed, and everyone can access from your mobile phone. So all you need to do is search for File Manager. It's among one of your system applications. If you are using the ABC on your navigation bar or your launcher, then you can find it on the My Files. That is on the M, the alphabet M. Then all you need to do is go to Analyze Storage. Go to Analyze Storage and click on that blue icon, that blue something. Then all you need to do is you need to know what is taking up the space of your phone. If your mobile phone has a low storage, that means it will have a lower performance. So you need to clear the unnecessary files or the hidden files that you will find here. Let me guide you on how you can find all of them. These are large files. They are arranged to a category: large files, duplicate files, and the recycle bin. So first thing, you need to empty the recycle bin. Your recycle bin might be full or might be containing a lot of stuff that are not necessary or you're not using them. Then as you can see, I've freed 2 GB of my mobile space by clearing the recycle bin. So the phone should be a bit faster. Then go ahead to the settings application, then scroll until you find apps. When you find apps, there's an icon here on the corner. You can click on it. Then you can sort by size and it will show you what application is taking much of your space. The VN video editor is taking 4.81 GB, CapCut is taking 3.16 GB, Telegram 1.77 GB, WhatsApp 1 GB. You'll know applications that are taking up your space. Then after you have deleted what is taking up your space, then as you can see, the internal storage is a bit, it has a storage that you may use or the remaining capacity that may be required to run your phone. As you can see, the phone is now smooth, there's no complications, it's working very well. So thanks for watching. My name is Arnold and I wish you the very best. Please subscribe.